Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free also. And I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So, hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. First, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here with you and show how you can get started the step by step and create a KDP book cover with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. Here we have it. First, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers without needing any design experience. It's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has ready-made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So let's get started. All I have to do, as I said, dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So you have just right now to sign in up by clicking over sign up and to write your information such as email address and your password. Then you'll find a page, which is this one as you can see. I don't have this button of sign up and log in because I already have an account. Here we have it, and I will just click over home and you will find this page. So here we have it, how it looks. As you can see, it's just like this one. And let's get started with this one. I have just right now to click over create design, but the thing that we have here, which is we don't have the width and the height, and also about the unit. I don't know if I will choose px, or here we have inches or millimeters, centimeters as well. So let's just right now go and dive into KDP book cover template. This is the template of Amazon.com. You have just to click over here and you'll find other page, which is this one. We have it kind of direct publishing as you can see. So we have here various things that you have to know, like we have your print cover calculator and templates. To find out the exact dimensions of your cover, use the calculator. You can also download a template, PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hard over and paperback cover requirements as well. So right now you have just to enter your book information such as binding type if you want the hardcover or paperback. So for example, I will choose the paperback. Then we have here inferior type. I will select if I want black and white, premium color, standard color. I will select for example here the standard color. Then we have a paper type if you want here the white paper. Then we have here leading direction. You have to select if you want left to right or right to left. I will select the second one. Then about measurement units, I will select inches. Then about inferior time size, I will select here for example this one 6 9 inches. Then the number I will select here for example 100. This is the number of pages at your formatted trim sizes. Learn more about trim size and page count by clicking over here to know more. I've just right now to click over here, calculate dimensions, and you will find this page as you can see. And here we have how it looks as you can see. You can just get started as soon as possible. All you have to do right now is just click over download template. But before, let's just know what is the dimensions as you can see. Here we have the full cover. We have 12.475 and about height we have here 9.25, and I will just come back to the Canva and I will select here firstly the inches, and I will just here verify the full cover. We have here 12. I will select 12.475, 12.475 like that. Then about the height, let's just know what is it. We have here 9.25. Let's come back here and I will select here how much. 9.25. I don't remember, so sorry. 9.25. Let's verify. Here we have it. Full cover we have 12. It's all right. Then about here we have here 9. All right. So right now all we have to do is just download the template by clicking over download. If we also read the book information, I will just put it like As you can see here, we have the is it download, and the top right here we have it. As you can see right now, you have to come back here and you click over create new design. You have just to find other page of design in your template. Let's just wait it for. As you can see, this is how it looks, and this is the page of designing on Canva. You have just right now to go to the uploads, and you have just to click over upload files, and you have just to select here the option of download. Here we have downloads, and I will just here select here all files to know, and I will select for example this one, and I will click over open, right? And then you will find your KDP book, how it looks. So let's just know how it looks for the KDP book. I will just click over the download, and I will click over here, and we'll find these pages you can see, right? So here we have how it looks, and you have just right now to put it on Canva, and you get started and you design your template using the design. For example, about the design, you have just to search for book, and you'll find a various things. You have just right now to select different templates and styles as well. Then we have here book page, reading box, notebook, paper. Also we have here lined paper, notebook paper, lined paper, and various things. If you don't like it, you have just to go to the elements and you search for the book cover, and you have here the book cover. You have to select the graphics because I will just add here this one. I'll put here the black one as you can see, and also I will modify it like that. About the background, you can just select your the background that you want. For example, we select here the background white, black, and various backgrounds. I will just right now go to the uploads, and they will upload my backgrounds like that. I'll put it here and the size of this one. I will just right now add it like that, as you can see, and here we have it right now. I will just put it like that. Then here we have about the backgrounds. You can add other backgrounds by uploading it. Then also if you want to add other things, if you want to also record yourself, you click over here and you click over allow, and you get started recording yourself, as you can see. And here we have it ready to one, and you get started recording. And then you have just to click over exit studio. If you want to save, you click over save and exit. If you don't want to, click over exit without saving. Also we have here, if you want to add a text, you click over here and you add a text. You can put it here in the middle. You can choose here the size, the color, if you want bold, italic, alignment, and other things. So Canva can help you to do all these things. So once you're done with your design, you have just to click over share, and you select here download if you want, and you download it by just selecting if you wanted the option of PNG, JPG, or PDF standard, PDF print, CVT, epic for video, and other things. All right, so we have just to get started. Also we have here for a zoom in, zoom out. Then we have here thumbnail view, grid view, present full screen, and you get started. And this is how it looks. And this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.